Good morning, children. Hope that everyone are fine. Today we are going to learn the other uses of plants. How these plants are useful to us. In our previous class, we have seen that plants provide us fruits, vegetables, cereals, pulses, oils and nuts, herbs and spices. Now, today in this class, we are going to learn about the chocolates. Everyone likes to eat chocolates, isn't it? Chocolates, beverages, sugar and jaggery, medicines. Chocolate, CHOCOLATES, chocolates. Everyone loves to eat chocolates. CHOCOLATES, chocolate. WHICH, which. WEV, LOVE, love. TO2, EAT, eat. IS is MADE, made. FROM, from. COCOA, cocoa. BEANS, beans. Chocolates, which we love to eat, is made from cocoa beans. COCOA, cocoa. Beans, BEANS, beans. ARER, SEEDS, seeds. OF, of. THE, the. COCOA, cocoa. Plant, PLANT, plant. Chocolates, which we love to eat, is made from cocoa beans. Cocoa beans are the seeds of cocoa plant. The chocolates which we eat comes from these cocoa beans. Here you can see brown colored beans. So from this we are making chocolates. Beverages. TATCOFFEE, coffee. AND, and. COCOA, cocoa. ARER, examples. EXAMPLES, examples of beverages. BEVERAGES, beverages. Tea, coffee and cocoa are the examples of beverages. we get WEVGET get. We get tea, TEAT, COFFEE, coffee, and cocoa from plants. The drinks which we take other than water like coffee, tea are known as beverages. The next topic is sugar and jaggery. SUGAR sugar, AND and JAGGERY jaggery, sugar and jaggery. SUGAR sugar, AND and JAGGERY jaggery, sugar and jaggery. Jaggery is nothing but a gur, GUR. ARER, USED used, TO2, MAKE make, THINGS things, sweet, SWEET, sweet. Sugar and jaggery are used to make things sweet. We get WEVGET get. We get jaggery, JAGGERY jaggery, and SUGAR sugar, FROM from, SUGAR sugar, CANE cane, JUICE juice. We get jaggery and sugar from sugar cane juice. This is sugar cane plant and this is sugar. Sugar cane juice everyone knows, which we are drinking in our daily life. Sugar which we add to our milk or tea to make it sweet. Sugar and jaggery are made from sugar cane. Jaggery is good for your health instead of sugar. It is more beneficent. OTHER other, USCFUL full, useful, other useful, THINGS things, FROM from, PLANTS plants, other useful things from plants. Medicines, MEDICINES medicines. Some plants such as neem, tulsi, turmeric, clove and garlic are used to make medicines. NEEM neem, TULSI tulsi, TURMERIC turmeric, CLOVE clove, GARLIC garlic. Not only plants provide us fruits and vegetables, besides they provide us medicines too. Here you can see the leaves of tulsi, cloves, turmeric, garlic and neem tree, which are helpful to us for making medicines. Fiber, FIBRE, fiber. 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 Fiber F-I-B-R-E-S, fibers. A-R-E-R, T-H-I-N, thin. T-H-R-E-A-D, thread. L-I-K-E, like. Structures, S-T-R-U-C-T-U-R-E-S, structures. Fibers are thin thread-like structures. T-H-E-Y, they. A-R-E-R, U-S-E-D, used. They are used to make, M-A-K-E, make, cloth, C-L-O-T-H, cloth. They are used to make cloth. The fibers from, F-R-O-M, from, C-O-T-T-O-N, cotton, plants are used to make cotton cloth. The fibers from the jute, J-U-T-E, jute, plant are used to make sacks, S-A-C-K-S, sacks, R-O-P-E, rope, B-A-G-S, bags, M-A-T-S, mats, and mattresses, M-A-T-T-R-E-S-S-E-S, mattresses. So what they are saying? Fibers are thread-like structures. They are used for making cloth. So here cotton cloths are made from cotton. Jute plants. This is the sack made of jute. The brown colored sack which you can see is made of jute. Not only these, the fibers are also helpful to us for making ropes, R-O-P-E, rope. The rope is used for drying your clothes and many other purposes. Bags, B-A-G-S, bags. The bags are also made of the fibers. Mats which we are using at our homes for sitting on the floor are known as mats. And mattresses on which we sleep, which makes us comfortable when you sleep on a bed. That is mattresses. Paper. The paper we use for making books and notebooks also comes from plants. These